One push, push. Let's see how many times you can push it down. 1. Good morning, Rainbow. You ready to play? Huh? You had your breakfast? Do you still have some carrots on your beak? Okay, you rubbed it off. That's very good. Are you ready to play? You're not ready to play? You ready to play with this ball? It's a gigantic ball, right? Okay, let's put it over here. Let's put it over here. Can you push the ball? Let's see what you do. Can you push? No? You don't want to push? Well, this is a little bit behind the scene thing. This is like almost the first time I'm putting the ball here. You're still eating. That's why you're not interested. You want to push this ball? Okay, we're going to talk about what goes on behind the scene, right? Usually I do my videos in one take, so make things easier when it comes to editing. And last week I had the video about him pushing the ball down the slide challenge. So he's never ever pushed balls down into sessions like that, one after the other. So that's really one of the first few times. And what happened was, the very first time I approached him, okay, let's go back. When we play, I usually put the ball on top of the slide, like this. And then he pushes it down. Oops, there it goes. You pushed it down once. And then by the time he pushes it down, I either give him a positive reinforcement verbally, or I come back and I play with him more. But most of the time, I just give him a positive verbal sentence or phrase. And then I do my things around the house. So what I unintentionally did was, I kind of trained him to push the ball once, and that was it. And then he goes about his thing, playing with another toy. So when I got the idea of, okay, let's get Rainbow to do a challenge, pushing the ball down the slide and see how many times he can do it within a minute. And the very first time I did it, I had a really shocking reaction, because he was not used to pushing the ball down over and over again. So everything that we do with our pets, with our children, with anybody, we kind of condition them in the mind. Okay, this is what happened, and the reaction was this. And then you do it a few times, and everyone, every bird, every dog, every cat expects to have the same results. Am I correct, right? That's only human nature. That's only natural for any living animal, right? Cause and effect. Present a situation, they do something, you do something, and then if you have something that you react to, that's what sticks in your mind, right? So that's how the learning process goes. So Rainbow, he comes over here to the slide, ask him to push the ball down. He does it once, and then I started to put the ball back onto the slide again, right? And the reaction I did not expect was he didn't push it. So I encouraged him to push it again. So he pushed it again, and then I put it right back. So my goal was to see how many times he can push the ball down the slide. Little did I know, we never play that way. We only played it once, pushed the ball down, and that was it. We go to the next activity, or he just play on his own, right? And then after 2 or 3 times, he let out a yell, a frustration yell. So bird owners know. You get to know your bird's vocals. So he was frustrated. That was the reaction. So I'm saying to Rainbow, I want to see how many times you can push the ball down the slide. So I realized that the times that we played was only once he pushes us down. For me to keep on putting the ball back, it frustrated him. It's like us, we clean up an area in the home, and you turn around and it gets all dirty or all messed up again. So the natural reaction is, hey, I just did the action, whatever the action is, and now it's undone. So that's what Rainbow's reaction was. It's like, I pushed the ball down, I had fun, but now you want me to do it again and again and again? So I realized, oh, I unintentionally, very good, Rainbow. You see, he pushed the ball down. Unintentionally, I trained him to push the ball down only once. So now I realize, okay, I'm going to play with him longer and doing things more repetitively. So this way he understands that's part of the game. That's part of the fun. We repeat things, right? Instead of being frustrating and thinking, hey, I did it already. Why am I doing it again, right? Very good. So now I'm training him to do things over and over again, right? With the ball. Very good, Rainbow. How about over here? Oh, you want to play with this toy now. Okay. So that was the behind the scene unexpected reaction from Rainbow. So I wanted everyone to know that anytime we interact with your bird, your cat, your dog, whatever pet you have at home, you intentionally train their mind for what's to be expected. So that's part of the taming process, right? If you want to do something, you want the pet to react a certain way, you condition them, right? By doing it over and over again. But what I did before was I only let him push the ball once, and that was it. We went on to the next activity. But anyway, that was unexpected to see him being frustrated. But now we played enough that he doesn't get frustrated. So let's see if he's in the mood to do this. Okay, I never ever force anything on my birds. If they don't feel like doing it, I try it the next time. So that's another tip for training your bird. Never ever force things. So let's see if he will cooperate. Rainbow, look what I have. Rainbow. Nope, he doesn't want to play. Okay, so I leave him alone because it's not a good time. Look what he's doing. Oh boy, he's regurgitating on his foot. Yeah, Rainbow does that. So when he's in this, he's doing this, he's more interested in what he's doing. Okay, so what I do is I wait. Yep, it's messy, his food. But anyway, so tip is don't force your bird to do what he doesn't want to do. Come back, right? One step up. See, he doesn't even want to step up because he's in the middle of regurgitating. Oh, yeah. Yep. Cleaning up after his food like this is more work than ever. But anyway, are you done? Are you going to show us how you can push the ball? Okay. How about we do it over here instead? Want to push the ball? You see, when they're not giving you their individual attention, they won't cooperate. Right? Even tame birds. Because they're more interested in doing what they're doing now. So just like humans, if you're in the middle of the activity, you don't want to be interrupted or disturbed, unless it's really an emergency. So same thing for them. They're in the middle of what they were doing. So, no, when they finish, they'll come to you. Right, Rainbow? Okay. Are you sure you don't want to push this ball down? He's sure. Okay, we don't force it. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.